Hey guys, what's up, Rich Nation here, and today you're gay. And today we're playing, an indie horror game on Xbox called White Noise. So yeah, I got this. I'm gonna be, this guy. Oh, actually, I want to be this guy. Where's the party? This young rascal doesn't take. You need 3 more tapes. I didn't just press play or anything. What? One second. One second. Yes. Wink, wink. Play online. Create private game. Gamer card. No. Okay. Scenario. Okay. Difficulty. Okay. Now let me invite all of you guys. Here we go. This is gonna be scary, and I'm gonna poop myself. My mom and dad will probably running down here freaking. Come on, Zach, join. Oh, I'm gonna pick my character. Oh, here we go. Oh, I'm scared. Why is it snowing inside the building? Okay, I think we all have to stick together. So let's go this way. Yeah. Oh, you can't see anything without your flashlight, though. Like, you just, like, probably follow people. Is anybody else not weirded out by the fact that it's snowing inside? Is that just me? Yeah, no, let's just keep, like, turning it on and off. Oh, it's Area 51, so, you know, it should be less creepy. Where do you guys want to go? Well, let's go this way. This way looks safe. This. I'm gonna scream! Okay. Okay, we should be good if we go this way. Sorry if you guys can hear the stairs in my background. It's like a freaking, like, Hogwarts in here. It won't stop. Yeah, I can hear you. What's up? We haven't found the first disc yet, or whatever they're called. Yeah, tape, recorder, whatever they're called. Hey guys, there's something over here. Looks kinda sexy. Yeah, 'cause you look like a bookshelf. Every video I'm in with you turns out to be. I found one! It's talking to me. Ah! He's right there! Run! Yeah, but I need my table. Okay. Who wants to look around the corners this time? Oh, we gotta keep moving. He's gonna like. This corner's safe. That corner's safe. Okay. Okay, we're good. Oh, there's another corner. We're good. Should I record? What the? Oh, wait, that's a bad thing, that's a bad thing, it spawns him, that's a bad thing. That is a very bad thing. Somebody just died. Well. If we stay where we're at, we're gonna die. Wait, can we go up here? Nope. No. What? Oh, whoa. You look sexy. Let's go down this creepy hallway. This way looks fine. I'm so scared to turn corners in this game. Yeah, but you can't see him. I don't think so. Oh, he just leads back out. Wait. Jesus. Okay. We're... I have a freaking... Oh, dude, you're freaking blue mist! Oh! God. I don't even know what to... Stop it! You're like walking inside of me. Guys, one second. I forgot to do one thing. There we go.
Look over there. Over there.
Now they can.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Nothing. Do you guys hear that? I heard something. I heard something.
Yeah, I saw it. It was right behind us, man.
I'm gonna scream. Oh, somebody just turned off the lights. Oh God. Oh no, like literally somebody in my house. Turn the corner, Zach, turn the corner, Zach, turn the corner, Zach, turn the corner, Zach, turn the corner.
I don't stand anything. I'm dead.
Shit.
I'm just like a ghost. I'm just lucky I get to be on this adventure with you guys.
Freaking terrified right now.
Need to avenge me!
Wait, is that... Zach, you're freaking creepy.
Back like butt.
You like butt? That's nice.
Go up by the spaceship.
You can't go up. He's right there! He's right by the spaceship. Oh, he's right by the station.
Don't go to the spaceship.
He's still there. 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 He's right there. He's right there. He's still right there. He's still right there. He's still right there. Just enter this way. He's right behind us. Run, 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 run. Turn the corner. Turn the corner. Turn the corner. Turn this corner. I'm turning corners without fear. I conquered my fear of corners, guys. Look at me. Look at me. So much progress. Yep. Bye, Zach.
I feel so alone now.
Hey, what's this way? This way's a new area.
New areas are never good in horror games.
Yeah, this place is kind of creepy. Just... He's right there! He's right there, he's right there, he's right there, he's right there.
Let's walk out this way.
Wait, did we just get separated? No. Oh wait, he's gone. He's gone.
It's right there. It's
Where?
right there. Back into the room. Back into the room.
I don't see any recorders. How many recorders we have? We have like 2, don't we? Where'd you go? I don't see you anywhere.
I ran away.
Oh crap. This isn't good. Isn't it like if we get too far away we start dying?
Don't know.
I turned a corner. I turned a corner. I turned a corner. I turned a corner. Oh, I turned a corner. Oh my god, I got God, this game's gonna make me have a seizure. Okay, so he's after you. He's after you. I should be fine. Right? Right? He's right by you, right?
No.
Corner door.
I had
He's still by the corner. I see you. I see you. Don't go this way. Don't go this way. He's right there. Don't go this way. Go the other way. Go, 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 go. There you go. Keep fucking up. He's right by me. I'm gonna freaking tear my nipples off.
Dude. Every time I try to leave the room, he appears in front of me.
Oh god. I'm gonna wise myself. He's right there. He's cornering us.
Yeah. Dude.
You went the wrong way.
Jesus. Yeah, we're separated.
No, go. Just turn around real quick. I saw you. And like you. There you go. Hi. Keep going your way. Keep going your way.
He's right behind me. He's right behind me. Keep going where we're going. Right?
God, this game. You wanna go this way?
Dude, every time I turn the corner, he's right there.
I'm gonna have a fear of corners in school. I'm gonna be walking in school. I'm gonna like peep my head around a corner. I'm gonna scream.
Do you live in
Yes.
Michigan?
Personal information given out on YouTube. Best thing ever.
I didn't know. We live
I live in Chinatown. You don't know what state Chinatown's in.
many times.
So set it up. Okay. Oh god, so many corners. So many corners. So many corners. I'm still kind of creeped out by the fact that it's snowing inside, and my flashlight's starting to die.
Crap, Zach needs to join our party. Can't do it because I'm not stopping to invite him.
You can't. Oh god. Oh god.
Yeah. You realize when we hear that noise, we're going to turn.
I know. Okay. Corner, corner, corner. We're good. Yeah, I burped. I'm actually like freaking about to freaking. He's right there! He's right there! That freaking flash of light. Oh my god.
Corner, corner, corner.
God, I'm freaking terrified right now.
How did the people like get behind us? Is there a way to like quick walk it out right?
No. Okay, corner. Back up.
Hey, can your flashlight run out of
Yes.
battery?
Okay.
Mine's running out of battery.
So is mine. That's why I keep turning mine on and off. Like, I'll just like do it for a quick second.
Yeah, mine's gone.
Yours is gone. Oh, wait. This way. This way. This way. This way.
It's like flashing. Ah!
What? Did you see him? Oh, that noise?
Ah, I didn't do it.
Eh.
Oh, I thought
Now what does this sign say? Rockets are this way.
Jesus.
What?
Jesus.
You're scaring me. Don't be around the corner.
No, I turned around.
Hey, we found a rocket
He was
ship.
right behind us. He was behind us.
This map is big.
Ah!
Right there. He's right there. He's right there.
I had to run.
He's right behind me.
I had to run back to
He's
the
right
hallway.
behind me. He's right behind me. He's right
I had to run back.
freaking back. It's dangerous to go alone. What are you talking about? It's dangerous. Yes, I realize it's dangerous to go alone. What are you? I don't get what you're saying. What are you saying?
Where are you
I don't know. I'm getting these random messages. What's going on? What's wrong with my screen? Oh my god!
What's that?
I died. Frick. It hurt my leg. I don't know where you are.
Ah! Charge! Charge the monster! Charge the monster! Jesus!
Okay.
Oh my god.
We survived for 13 minutes. In memory of Trombone Z-Man and Detroit. Tape recorders found. One by me. We only found one. How did I walk more distance than you? Screams. I think I screamed a little bit more. Replay. Okay, let's change the map and let's invite Zach. Here. Oh wait, was Zach like spamming me with invites?
Oh,
I'll be right back.
every time we found a scream. Okay.
Anyway, guys, that was White Noise. Hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe or comment. I'll see you guys later.